Good morning. On behalf of Tessol Semiconductor, I thank IESA for helping us to go into this level. We are the first ATMP company to sign the modified SIP MOU with Government of India. And we thank Government of Karnataka and also Government of India for all the support. Director of STPI, Mr. Omkar Rai, for all his support too, for making this happen. Thank you very much. They want to talk about the investment. The plan to invest for the first ATMP, full-fledged ATMP in the country, we are planning to invest 750 crores. This is the investment in the next 3 years.
So for the 730 crore investment, we would offer some moment to Veerappan now.
Our CEO, Mr. Rajamanikim, is expected to join a bit late, so he will be coming a bit late now.
Thank you. Now I invite Prabhu Panduranga, Managing Director for Bosch Automotive Electronics.
Good morning to all of you. First of all, our sincere thanks to both central government and state government for their active support for electronic industry. Our special thanks to IESA for guiding us and supporting us throughout the journey. We are one of the first MSIPS applicants, and initial investment was around 500 crores, out of which we have already invested around 300 crores. As far as this scheme is concerned, we have gone through the complete cycle, means approval, investment, as well as disbursement. So this proves that the entire policy, procedure, guideline, and disbursement is already established. So this should definitely encourage all electronic industry to look at this scheme actively and invest in India. We at Bosch look at environment-friendly and safety-related technologies to make it affordable in India so that it reaches the common man. And this initiative from the government definitely helps in this direction. So thanks a lot. Also, I would like to place my special thanks to Mr. R.S. Sharma, Secretary Deity, and the entire team for their active support in this MSIPS scheme to make it very successful. It's very transparent, smooth, and it was very clear to us right from the beginning. So thanks a lot. Because of this scheme, for MNCs like us, the investment in India also makes a lot of sense. And the proof of that is already 65% of our turnover comes from export. So thanks a lot. Thanks IESA. Thanks to all.
Has he come? So I invite Bibi Naidu to come and receive the honors on behalf of Tejas and tell us something more.
I think Tejas is not here, but he's part and parcel of the overall ecosystem. In fact, sir, this is a long journey. In 2009, IESA has taken a lead in submitting the recommendations to the Government of India. And at that time, and IESA was chairing the committee, and those things have come out as a new policy, what you've seen in that. And I am happy to see that 3 companies, and all the 3 from Karnataka, got the first MCIPS approvals from Government of India, and Tejas as one of the unique company that has emerged out of Bangalore with 11 years of history here. And that is one company which has worked very close with the governments, both at the Government of India as well as the Government of Karnataka, and not only helping and creating the policy, but also giving the investment proposal which has got approved. I think on behalf of Sanjay Naik, I thank IESA and all the ecosystem and the Chief Minister, for helping and supporting to create this ecosystem. I'm sure that this small beginning would go a long way for India to achieve Make in India a vision to reality. Thank you.
So you will receive on behalf of Tejas.
I filled in for Tejas.